Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sky. I am the owner of our online home decor shop called House Holm. I am also a mama of 3 and a wife to my amazing husband, Chad. In our most recent video, I brought you guys into our master bedroom and I shared our cozy cottage master bedroom tour. We had been working on this space and completely transforming it over the last few weeks, and it was so fun to be able to share the end result with you guys. I will link that video here so you guys can go check it out in case you missed it or in case you are new here. Speaking of which, if you are new, welcome. I am so happy that you're here, and I really hope that you will stick around and hit that subscribe button so you can see more weekly videos from our channel. I share all things home on this channel, so you will get a taste of different recipes that we are loving, decor hauls, DIY projects. You'll get to just see how we transform this home that we're living in, which is currently a fixer-upper. We are just making it our own, and it's so fun to bring you guys along on that. We got so many questions and sweet comments about our drop cloth curtains, so I thought it would be fun to bring you guys just a quick tutorial video so that you can create that cozy cottage farmhouse look in your home for less. I am really loving these curtains. I'm thinking about starting to sprinkle them into different rooms of our home, and all of the other rooms of our home we have just white plain curtains from IKEA, and while I do love them and think they give just a very clean, light, and airy look, I love these drop cloth curtains for the bedroom because they do offer a little more coverage and they do block out the light a little bit better than just a totally sheer white curtain. I think these also add just a vintage touch, and I'm obsessed. What can I say? They're affordable, they're incredibly easy to put together, and they're washable. So what more could you want in a curtain? I hope that you guys will give this a try. Let me know if you already have these or if you decide to put them in your home. I always love to hear what you guys are doing. This project can be done in 4 easy steps. The first step is take your drop cloth out of the package. It is seriously that simple. If you want to wash it first, you can. I've read a lot of reviews about drop cloths kind of getting torn apart in a washer with an agitator. I have a washer with an agitator, unfortunately. Eventually I'm gonna upgrade to one that doesn't have one. However, you could totally fill up your bathtub with some warm water and some laundry soap and kind of let them air dry after that. So you can wash them if you want to. They do kind of have a little bit of a burlap smell, but it's not overwhelming, so that is totally up to you. So step 1, take it out of the bag. Washing, optional. Next, you're going to find the top and you are going to fold your drop cloth over about a foot. This is just based on your preference. So it could be longer, it could be shorter, whatever look you are going for your space. I recommend doing this part on a flat surface, but just for you guys, I'm going to give you an idea of about how I would hang mine over here. So we've got about a foot rolled over, and then you're just gonna come in with your clips and you're gonna space them out evenly and clip your drop cloth. So let me show you which clips I'm gonna be using. This is what we use to hang our drop cloth curtains. We got a pack of, I don't know, maybe 20 of these. I'll link everything below for you guys, of course. But they are just 2-inch black metal rings with clips. And you will just use these, you'll space them out evenly on your drop cloth, and you'll use these to hang on your curtain rod. We have black curtain rods from IKEA, so I'll link those too. Now I've got my curtains draped over my bed, and I just went ahead and took about a foot of the material and folded that over, and I'm going to add my clips. So I'm just kind of eyeballing this. If you want to measure them, absolutely feel free to do that. I often have my curtains pulled back. We have blinds in our bedroom that will close at night, and sometimes I'll just leave these curtains pushed back because I prefer that look. So to me, it doesn't matter if they are exact, and I'm really going for quick and easy here. But if you want to do it differently, by all means, go right ahead. So we've got that finished, you guys. That is seriously all you do. It is so simple. You're going to collect these together and then you are going to hang them. So So step 1 was to take your curtains out of the bag. Step 2 is to lay it down and fold over about a foot of material. And then step 3 is to add your clips, and step 4 is to hang. So you can see we've got those perfectly put together, and I will show you the after. All right, friends, that is a wrap for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this super quick, easy, and affordable DIY to give your home a little bit more of a cozy feel. Let me know if you try it out in the comments below. Next up is our DIY faux fireplace, and I am so excited. This is probably gonna be one of my favorite DIYs, hands down, that we're gonna be bringing you guys. So I know I said that my master bedroom was pretty finished. However, my husband and I were just dreaming up what we could do with this little angled wall that we have. It just was looking a little bare, and you guys, a fireplace is something that we have always wanted to have in a bedroom. What better time than now just to go ahead and finish that space off and add a little DIY faux fireplace. You guys, it is affordable, it is totally doable and simple in just a few steps, and I really think you're gonna love it. So make sure you stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.